Alright, now we're heading up to the Ephraim Bales cabin. Two brothers, Jim and Ephraim. There's a big sign thing up here. Let me go get a little video of that real quick, and I'll try to give you enough time to pause on it. Like I do in my other videos, I won't sit on it for long. I'll just here, and give you time to pause. The Ephraim Bales place. Alright, so two cabins joined together. One area served as a living room, the other is a kitchen. Or living area, not living room. Beds and everything were there. One chimney for cooking, one chimney for warming. I love the roofs. The roofs are amazing. And short doors. They definitely didn't want no high rain. You don't know tall people coming in and beating them up in the fireplace. We'll step into the other part. And look here, we have a drop floor plan. Actually, just goes down a little bit. And then there's another little, what was this up here, the outhouse extreme? There's a little barn. Rain says it's a little barn. I don't know. That's why I ask. Even if I did know, I wouldn't remember it. That's why I have to ask and say, what is that? There's actually corn shucks in there. Hey, might have been something in here yet. This has one of the little doors here.
So this was their corn barn.
Yep. Their barn was a lot smaller than Jim's. The corn crib, yeah. But it was probably all they needed. You can come out the back side. We can hear that water over there again. It sounds like it needs my feet in it. I'm gonna pause that just a minute. Several people around. Don't want to get them on video unless they ask. There's a little locust hull. I know they call them cicadas. They're locusts. They say they ain't. They are. Don't like being called that. Too bad. I'm gonna take a real quick shot of the cabin, and I'm gonna end this video here. Something neat to show y'all, but I want it on a separate video in case you don't watch all of this one.